This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by the Parker Group.
In the process of buying and selling your home, I'm under the impression, and I have been told, that many times, unfortunately, the process involves a lot of tears. Well, that is where our friends at Archie come in to sort of streamline that process, to get you out of your old home into a new one, all as seamlessly as they possibly can. And that is where James Riddle comes in to break down what Archie does and what's new. While the real estate market itself is always changing, the way real estate works has been fairly static since its inception. James Riddle, Director of Business Development for Archie, is helping change the game. We live in a modern society with a lot of modern technology, and that's kind of where you guys at Archie come in, to kind of catch up the real estate world to the rest of the modern society in which we live.
Absolutely. So, like you said, the real estate world really has not changed for the last 60 years. And so where Archie fits in is we are trying to give sellers options that they don't know that they have, because it hasn't changed, and sellers are very familiar, either personally or anecdotally, with what the real estate process looks like. And so we've built two different offerings for our clients to, like I said, give options that they don't know that they have in order to better help them sell their homes.
Yeah, I mean, those options really just, they make sense when you say it. And it's the kind of thing that I think opens a lot of eyes to, oh, like, this is a big change, but it's a really good change. I mean, we've talked about it before, how many people cry during the real estate transaction of trying to buy or sell a home, and Archie just helps streamline all of that process.
Yeah, absolutely. But like you said, so many people just have such negative emotions and feelings when it comes to anything real estate related. And that's justified, because the way that the process exists now is very difficult to go through. It's incredibly long, drawn out. Everyone feels like everyone else knows something that they don't, and they often feel stuck and just don't know who to turn to. And so that's why we built Archie.
Yeah, so why don't we dive into, just in case somebody is unfamiliar, what it is, some of those services that Archie provides, and then we'll get into the new stuff.
Absolutely. So the way that Archie has existed so far is by offering sellers an option where they're able to access up to 80% of their home's value before the home ever sells. So we provide an advance payment based on what we expect the home to sell for, so that they're able to pay off their mortgage and go buy another house, go on vacation, whatever they need to do, without being tied down to the house that they have to sell. And so we've already had full suite of inspections performed, so we know exactly what we're walking into. Then, when they move out, they receive their upfront payment, and we get to work. So that's when we have all of our contractors handle all of the major items that were identified on those inspections, so that we can list, market, and sell the property for top dollar. When the property sells, they get a second check of 60% of everything over and above what they already received.
2 checks, less of a headache. I mean, it really does feel like a dream come true for that world of real estate. But you guys have a new feature that you're adding to Archie, and I think this is a big one too, because a lot of times when it is time to buy or sell that home, it might need a little bit of upgrading here and there.
Yeah, absolutely. So not everyone has enough equity in their home to pay off their mortgage with 80%, and that's totally fine. We've had such a significant outreach from local communities that want to use our system, so we've designed a pre-sale repair program to help more people. And so what that looks like is we still have our full suite of inspections performed, and then based on the items that need to be done, and in some cases it's as significant as a roof that needs to be replaced, or a septic system, where the sellers just don't have enough cash in their pocket to handle those repairs before it hits the market. And so we are able to come in with an agreement that we handle all of the repairs to bring the property up to that Archie certified designation. Then we list and sell the property in conjunction with the seller. So they're still living in the property, so it's a little bit different.
Sure.
But they're still able to receive that Archie certified designation. All of the inspection reports are provided to buyers so that they have peace of mind when they're coming to see the house, and the property will sell for as much as it possibly can in the open market.
So if somebody is looking to utilize any of the services that Archie provides, whether it's a digital house tour, or putting their house on the market, or they want to utilize this new service that you have, what should they do to kind of start that process, start those steps, and reach out?
Yeah, absolutely. So they can just go to our website, archiehub.com, or they can find us on Facebook or Instagram at GetArchie.
Yeah, is there anything else about Archie that you want people to know?
Simply that we are transforming the local real estate market, and we are incredibly excited to be offering this new model to bring more people into a better real estate transaction.
We love when a process that goes from extremely stressful can be streamlined a little bit with something like Archie. Truly a revolutionary tool to use in the real estate process. And our friends at Archie and the Parker Group have all those answers for you. Any questions that you may have when it comes to buying or selling a home or property. But coming up next on CoastLife, it is World Cup season. We've been seeing many visitors here to the U.S. And there's one condiment popular here in the United States that has been trying to make its way into other countries as they go back home. We'll get into it when we get back.